Hi, I'm Emma, Environmental Specialist at Ecochain, and I'm going to show you how to conveniently structure your model to include your transport with your raw materials. And this is actually an important topic because it can help you structure your model in a more efficient way, where you don't have to model your transport each time, but it's just in the building block of your raw material. So in previous videos I have already shown how to model transport, so if you don't know how to model transport yet, I would suggest you watch those videos first. So in this video I'm going to use the t-shirt demo again to explain this trick. So I'm going to the products now, and here I have a t-shirt cotton black, and that's the one that I'm going to use for this demo. So you can see that this t-shirt consists of various materials. So it consists of some cotton fabric black, so black cotton fabric. And this again consists of some cotton yarn, and then we also have some plastic packaging in this product. And both the plastic packaging and the cotton fabric we're buying in from other places, and then they're shipped to our factory. So in this example, the only thing we do ourselves is make the t-shirts from the fabric. And so I want to include some transport for these materials. But what is really nice is that if I include this in the building block of the material itself, instead of separately in another line, then the transport will be included in this building block, and it will always show up when I reuse this building block. So that's what I'm going to do. So the transport that I'm adding now is actually scalable with the amount of material that I'm using. And this is something that I've already explained in a different video. So if you don't know yet how to model your transport in a way that is scalable with the amount of material that you have, I would recommend to watch that video first, so you understand what's going on in this video. So what I can do is add my transport here under the cotton fabric black. And I'm going to do that by just adding a sub item. So here I click on transport from supplier, cotton fabric black, and I take 1.2 square meters, because this is 1.2 square meters. Now you see that the transport is included under the building block or in the building block of the cotton fabric black. And it will always show up whenever I add this fabric to a product. And that's really nice because I know that this material is only made by one manufacturer in this case, and it always has the same transport. So I can just keep it in my material building block. I can do the same for the plastic packaging. So that currently only has the raw materials in there, and I can just add a sub item with some transport. So transport, let me just see which one I need. The transport for the plastic packaging for one piece, so I just add it here. Great, and now the transport is in the building block of the plastic packaging. So how does this work? Well, if I go to another product now, for example this one, the t-shirt polyamide white, and here there's no plastic packaging added yet, so I'm just gonna add the plastic packaging now because I know that this product is also packaged this way. There we go. And now let's see what happens. So now here on top we have the plastic packaging, and you see that the transport was actually already included in the building block of this material. So I don't have to add it anymore, it's already there. Yeah, and I think this shows how convenient it is to make a building block of your material and the transport together. Because you can imagine that if you have a lot of different materials, it's a lot of work to every time add the transport separately to your product. So it's better if it's just added to the raw material immediately, and you can just add it once and it's already there. So good luck with modeling your own transport in Mobius. If you have any more questions about this topic, or you just want to know more about it, check out our help center, and you can also send us a message in the chat. Thank you for watching this video.